Wow, I was surprised to learn that CSS is over 40 years old. I'm just learning this code from www.educator.com, one of the many sources for self-education on the web, and the illustrations are from their website. Goldfrapp, Morsher, and Laurie developed the first markup language, GML, named for their initials, in 1969 working for IBM. And by 1974, style sheets were developed as part of the standard. In the 1980s, Robert Kalu is credited as the first person to separate structure, markup, from presentation, style, and in 1994, Lee and Boso worked to develop CSS, which is applied as a markup language to HTML, XHTML, and XML today. Symbols have been used to communicate over 50,000 years, and code is one of the symbols used to communicate with machines. Samuel Morse and Bill Gates are two of the famous coders. CSS is one of the tools to style a web page. This code determines how the page looks depending on the browser used to display the code. The markup language is the first tool applied to text documents to indicate what the browser should do and where the images are to be placed. Then CSS is used to improve the output and JavaScript for adding user interaction. Here is an example of code called hypertext, coined by Ted Nelson in 1965. Code allows communications with machines without having to write in machine language or enter code directly into a computer from the command line of the console, and later from a remote terminal device. Here is a simple three-step process for creating a web page, starting with marking up some text. Step 1. Create some text in a text editor. Step 2. Save the text file with a .html file extension. Step 3. Open the text file in your browser. Congratulations! You have a web page coded in HTML. Self-test. Identify the HTML tags, the CSS code, the text, and the HTML code. The HTML tags are colored blue. The H indicates that the text is a heading, and the number 1 indicates the size to display the text. The CSS code indicates the color of the text. Hello Friends is the text that is marked up in this example. The browser, Mozilla Foxfire, reveals the web page. That's it for this introduction. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned. As I learn more, I will add more to this series. This is a series for dummies and old dogs learning new tricks.